most small business owners get this wrong. They either pick accounting software that is too complicated, or they go for the cheapest option and outgrow it in a few months. That leads to messy books, missed taxes, and stressful year-end reporting. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best accounting software is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches your business size, workflow, and how much automation you actually need. And in this video, you'll understand the top 8 accounting tools for 2026 so you can choose confidently without wasting time or money. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. This is the most widely used option for small businesses. It handles invoicing, taxes, payroll, and reporting in one place. It is powerful, but here's the problem. It can feel overwhelming if you are brand new. Now here's where it gets interesting. Xero is a strong alternative. It focuses on clean design and simple navigation. Many business owners like Alex, who runs a small online store, find Xero easier to manage daily transactions without feeling lost in menus. Next is Wave. Wave is perfect for very small businesses or freelancers. It is free for basic accounting, which makes it ideal when you are just starting out. But it lacks advanced tools like deep reporting and complex payroll. FreshBooks comes next. This one is built for service-based businesses. If you are a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner, FreshBooks makes invoicing and time tracking extremely simple. But here's the catch. It is not ideal for inventory-heavy businesses. Now let's talk about Zoho Books. This is a hidden gem for small businesses that want automation at a lower price. It integrates well with other Zoho apps and gives you strong features without high costs. Now here's where things get interesting. Zagi Business Cloud Accounting is more traditional but very reliable. It is often used by businesses that want stability and structured reporting rather than flashy features. For growing businesses, we also have Kashu. It is simple, fast, and great for owners who just want clean bookkeeping without complexity. Finally, there is Bench. This one is different because it combines software with real human bookkeepers. So instead of doing everything yourself, you get support managing your books. Now let's make this simple. If you want power and scalability, QuickBooks is a strong choice. If you want simplicity, Xero or Wave works well. If you want automation and affordability, Zoho Books stands out. The key takeaway is this. Don't choose based on hype. Choose based on your current business stage and how much time you want to spend on accounting. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you run your business smarter.